So I know so now they wonder how they take they do these cartoon images one that they see for Facebook where people they post every day. So today video I will show now how to do this ChatGPT AI UB image. They very simple. Now two-step process now I will show now. So the first process I will show now how to do it for laptop, and the second process I will show now how to do it for phone. Just in case maybe you know get laptop. So we'll just get straight to the video. So like this, when you enter your Google, so you just type Chat GPT, click on enter, click on this ChatGPT smart and simple AI. So you see how like this. The next thing like this now, based on me I don't already create account, but if you never create account before, it is very simple. You will see the option to do that one. So the next thing now to just click on this plus icon here, this plus icon where you see for here like this. Now just click on it. So when you click on it, you go see this upload from computer. Click on upload from computer. So now you will look for where that image dey. So like this now it's now be this. Now this one I want use for this project. Okay, now the next thing now to type in the prompt where you want use for this image. So you go Ghibli-Style this image. So you click on. So now the next thing is to just click on this arrow icon here, this icon here. So the thing be say it go take much time, so you will wait. So as you don't see like this now, the right getting started. So we just wait. So the thing they take much time, like 3 minutes. So we'll just fast forward the video. So see the final result of this Ghibli-Style image. So you see how it makes sense. So you know pass like this, like you know add now very simple thing. Immediately you just type in that prompt, it will just turn on to this cartoon image. So you will still get another one if you still do again. If you still turn the same image to another cartoon, if you do different kind of cartoon, so we'll do another one. Turn this image to pizza cartoon. So you just click on this arrow too. So you will wait for to load. So as you don't see again like this now, see as how this one makes sense. See how it do. You don't see you know how this one makes sense. So you know just pass like this. It's not just to add. You know to add. See how like this, but see the final results. How it makes sense. So the next thing like this now, if you want to download this image, you have to just click on this arrow here, this save arrow here, then save. Automatically it will download to your PC. So you know your pass like this. So just in case maybe you know get laptop, you fit still do it with your phone. So may I show you how they do it on your phone. So first thing first, you just open your Chrome browser. Then the next thing is to just click on this 3 dot icon here. Then go settings. Then come this site setting. So the interface will be different from your own. But all you just need to do now is just come this site settings. Then you see this place where they write desktop site. Just click on. They will turn on this desktop site. So automatically when you turn this desktop site, automatically what did you try tell the phone? They say like this now, you want to use this phone as PC. You want to use this phone as using a laptop now with the use. So when you don't do it like this now, you can't go back, search chat, you can search chat GPT. Then you can click on it. You see how you see the way it be like this now. So the next thing like this now, to just zoom in, just the same way it did before that laptop. You click on this plus icon here. Then you can see and see about upload from computer. I see the same thing the way it did before. The way it did before laptop. Now so you go see it before here. Like this now I got barely seen on laptop. So just upload from computer. Then click on. Then find the image you want to use. So like this now, this image I want to use. See how Then you go type that same prompt when we type that time. So you can click, you can type in Ghibli-Style this image. Then you go on this side here, this arrow icon here, you go click on. So now still the same process. This is about getting started. So thing dey very simple. So make I not just stress on like this now, because I see the same results wey that one bring, na it go still bring out. So now I still show now that first one I dey do with laptop. Or more just wait. Maybe I inside the CD. I see the final result. See how it makes sense, but you no just pass like this. So hope una learn something from this video. Make not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that other people too, when they struggle to do this thing, them too go fit sabi do am. You no just pass like this. Peace out.